welcome to another episode of Exploring with Cece. Today is a weigh-in day. I'm gonna get right to it. The last time I was talking to you guys, I was 30 pounds down. Now, a new month has started, and when I stepped on the scale, I noticed that I was 36 pounds down. Last month, I lost 6 pounds, and you guys saw me. I was out and about. I was celebrating my birthday in New York City, in Manhattan. I've been eating out pretty much at least once a week at some of my favorite seafood restaurants in New York. So check that out if you guys are visiting New York. I have a couple of recommendations on my Explore the USA playlist, and I've really just been living my best life, and I want to show you guys what that looks like. Woo! It's not fall. When I think about it, I can't really comprehend it because I've literally been just so tunnel vision focused on waking up, drinking my water, walking my 10,000 steps, and now I'm at a place where I've added running into my workout schedule. And for those who don't know, I used to be athletic in college. I was super fit, and somewhere along the way, I got caught up and I gained some weight. And now I'm just trying to get back to a healthier place. So losing 36 pounds so far, losing 6 pounds last month has been an amazing start to getting closer to my goals. Last August is when I started my weight loss journey. Now it is June, so almost a year it's taken me to lose 36 pounds. So hopefully when it hits August, I can hopefully hit at least like a 45 pound goal, but I'm just taking it day by day. And now I'm gonna share what I did last month with you guys so you can try it too if you like. I'm gonna begin by saying, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a personal fitness trainer. I'm just a girl who decided to take her health back into her hands and do what I can to be better. So things I do at wake up in the morning, I drink a ton of water all day long. I drink at least 5-6 of these, and this is now a Dasani bottle, and I believe this one's a 1 liter. So I'll drink about 6 liters of water a day. I've also started drinking tea. Last time I talked to you guys, I told you I used to be a coffee addict. I'm the Cuban coffee. Shout out to my Cubans, my Hispanics, my Latinos, and I used to love that Cuban coffee, and that had me in a chokehold, but I said no more. And now I've decided to take up drinking tea, just to pass time sometimes, because sometimes I'm sick of water, sometimes I'm craving some sugar, sometimes I'm craving something sweet, and I don't need the extra calories. And I found that tea is a nice replacement that gives me that feel-good feeling, that warm, fuzzy feeling coffee used to give me, but not the jitters, not the paranoia. And I also put coffee creamer in my tea. It's a coconut brand. I will show you guys what it looks like, and it's really good. My teas of choice are chamomile. I really love me some chamomile tea, and Earl Grey tea as well. So that's something new I added in the month of June to my eating that I feel maybe has helped me in some way, shape, or form. I have my afternoon tea every day around 4 o'clock, and I do put sugar in it. So I put about 2 teaspoons of sugar in my tea, and that's pretty much the sugar I have for the day. I don't really consume a lot of sugar anymore. Ice cream, I try and stay away from that. I love ice cream, but it does not love me, dairy-wise and health-wise. So I've cut back on that. Haven't had any ice cream. Maybe a little bit here and there. Testing desserts. But I've stayed away from soda, stayed away from excessive alcohol. I have consumed a couple of margaritas, maybe one during the week, you know, when I go out with my family for dinner. Check out my seafood recommendations if you're gonna be in New York. I have a playlist on that. And I've been consistent. I've been showing up every single day on this lovely treadmill. Or if I'm out of town, I try to go walking. And it's been hot, guys. Super hot. As you can tell, I'm sweating. And it's about 86, 87 degrees. I'm in a garage right now, so you can only imagine just how hot it is, and I'm in all black. So just imagine how hot it's been. It's getting harder to work out with the heat, but I have a goal, and so I continue to strive towards it. So I'm also gonna share now a couple more things that I've done differently this month that may have helped me get past my weight loss plateau. Last video, I was telling you guys I've been on my 30-pound weight loss for a while, and this month I had to take some extra steps to make sure that I'm getting closer to my goal. So I started running. I have been running for at least 10 minutes during each workout. Sometimes I'll run the whole 10 minutes, and sometimes I'll run 5, then do some walking, then run 5, but I've been forcing myself to run for at least 5 minutes straight. And I started at 4 miles per hour in the beginning of June, and now I can run consistently on 6 miles per hour. So I'm slowly getting back into running. I used to run when I was in college, and it felt so good. So I'm back on that movement, so we'll see how that goes. Additionally, I was gifted some really cool yoga pants. These are called KABHA, Kaba, and they're super comfy. I was addicted to Lululemon workout pants for the longest, but for now I'm trying a new brand. My fiance's mom just gave me these and was like, hey, try them out. And I love them, so I will keep you updated on how they feel. As you guys know, I'm rocking the Nike. I love me my Nike bralettes workout. They give me decent support for the babies, so that's what I do. And I also got my hair done in knotless braids so that I could continue working out and not have to worry about my hair too much. Most times, I don't have my hair down. I usually twist it like so. For those who wonder, how the heck do you work out with these long braids? This is how I twist my hair, like this, and then I circle it around. And trust me, it doesn't have to look pretty, because we're not here for prettiness. We're here to work out. And boom, this is how I usually work out. And when I am running, I will sometimes take a scarf and just secure this bun down so that when I run, my hair is not bobbing all over the place. So that's what I've been doing lately on my workouts. And like I said, I had no clue I would lose 6 pounds. I haven't been checking the scale a whole bunch because I find that when I check the scale every day, it's made me super paranoid, and it's just made working out not as fun. Like, let's be real, who likes working out super hard just to step on a scale and see that you haven't lost any weight? I'll wait to see who loves that. I don't. So the scale is very far from me. I don't check it because I know what I'm doing every day, know what I'm eating, and I know that in due time, the scale will show what I've been doing, and it has. I dropped 6 pounds the month of June, so that was really great, and I know you guys can do it too. So if there's anyone out there trying to figure out when they're gonna start working out, when they're gonna start eating better. Today is the day. And every day is a day for you to start over and do better than yesterday. That's something that I have learned on my weight loss journey. Some days I want a margarita, and I'm gonna have that darn margarita when I want it, but at the same time, I'm not having margaritas every single day. I know that is not good for my plans, but I'm still doing what I can to enjoy my summer the way I feel and still be social with family and friends and still stay on my weight loss journey and goals. And another thing that I've also been doing that I think has helped me a lot on my weight loss journey is finding more hobbies that don't involve eating. Now, I'm a foodie. I'm in love with going to nice restaurants. That's actually how I started my YouTube channel, was just traveling through Mexico. For those who know, most of you guys know I am a Mexican resident. I live in Mexico most of the time, but my job and my work and family obligations have me moving all over the world. And so right now I'm in New York, and it's been hard at times to keep focus, but I found that walking helps wherever I go. Everywhere I go, there's always a sidewalk, there's always a road that I can just put my workout clothes on and walk outside. So that's why this has been my workout of choice, because it's easy to do. You guys know I love my arm lifts. I love them a lot. And I also love me some jump squats. I love those. I love push-ups. Now, like I said, I don't do too many, but I do what I can. And when I feel that burn, I know it's working. So that's another thing that I've been doing on my weight loss journey. And last month, I noticed that my appetite had gone down tremendously, okay? To the point where, you know, I wake up in the morning and my body's not grumbling. I'm not feeling hungry. I don't wanna eat sugary stuff. Even when I do have sugary stuff, I do notice my body's like, something spikes up in my body that says, oh, this doesn't feel nice. And my fiance has been wanting us to go out and, you know, go to all these backyard barbecues and stuff, and go to parties. And I've been telling him, babe, I'm on a workout situation. So I'm still trying to maneuver in the social aspects of being on a weight loss journey and still having fun and still being able to mingle with people without having, you know, certain habits creep up again that will set me back. So usually I've been just staying at home, but now I think I'm almost ready to step out and just have my tea with me. I told my fiance, I'm like, listen, can I bring my tea with me when we go out? Because I'm not trying to get drunk and be lit anymore. That's not gonna work for my workout. I need to be able to wake up in the morning and still work out. I've noticed when I have one too many a drink, it messes up my whole workout trajectory for the day. So I'm just not doing that no more. No, baby. You cannot get this 36 pounds last baby to lose everything she's worked for. So that's what I've been up to as late, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. I know a lot of you were cheering me on and saying, go CC, go CC, go CC, go CC, go CC. You know, and I'm thankful for you guys for just being my support and pushing me through this. Every time I'm about to, you know, fumble my workout goals, I just remember all the lovely people out there who say, you can do it, girl. I'll put them cookies down, put the temptations down, and I continue to ride out. So if you guys need someone to show you some support, write in the comments so that I can keep up with y'all. Make sure you're still on your workout and health goals, because we all need a support system to get through the harder days. So that's all I have to say today. I'm not gonna keep you guys too long, but I just wanna say thank you for everybody who's been watching and supporting the channel. And feel free to continue to like, comment, share my journey with others, and feel free to write about your own journey in the comments too. And we can learn from each other and grow. So I hope you guys have a fabulous week, and I will continue to show up and show you guys what I've been doing so you guys can continue to take notes and apply them in your own workout routine. So thank you for watching Exploring with Cece's Curvy Girl Fitness series, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm just gonna show you the workout that gets me drenched in sweat. I'm gonna show you what I see on my workout screen right now. So the incline is at 13. So far I've walked 1.7 miles in 61.53 minutes. I burnt 605 calories, and I'm walking on a 1.8 speed because I recently increased my workout speed in my workout incline, and now I just had to slow down the pace of my walking. So usually I can walk at a 12 incline at maybe a 2.2 or 2.5 miles per hour on this machine, and my machine at home, I'll be on a 12, on a 3 to 4 miles per hour. So every machine is like so different. So y'all can see I'm drenched up. The girl's been working out, putting in that work.